Hello everyone! Looking for the top 5 best camera drone for adults to capture stunning aerial photos and cinematic videos? Welcome to Best Product, where we explore the most powerful feature-packed drones to help you choose the perfect flying companion. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Holystone Camera Drone for Adults. The Holystone HS440G camera drone is a compact and user-friendly aerial device designed for adults who want high-quality imaging and smooth flight performance in a lightweight package. Weighing under 250 grams, this palm-sized drone is highly portable and does not require FAA or remote ID registration, making it convenient for travel and outdoor use. Its foldable design and included storage bag further enhance its portability, allowing users to take it on adventures with ease. Equipped with a powerful 4K UHD camera, the HS440G captures stunning photos in 3840 by 21160 resolution, delivering sharp and detailed visuals. It also supports real-time 2K video transmission up to 1,640 feet, ensuring a stable and immersive FPV experience. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens expands the field of view, while 5 GHz transmission helps maintain smooth and clear live streaming from the sky. The drone incorporates intelligent GPS-assisted flight features that elevate the overall flying experience. Functions such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest allow users to capture dynamic shots with minimal manual control. Built-in GPS also enhances safety and reliability, working alongside auto-return technology to help ensure the drone can return to its launch point when needed. Designed for outdoor performance, the HS440G is powered by brushless motors that provide stable and efficient flight. With up to 23 minutes of battery life per charge, it offers ample time for capturing photos and videos during each flight session. For beginners, the HS440G includes intuitive controls such as one-key takeoff and landing, along with emergency stop functions for added safety. The responsive two-way controller and dual satellite connectivity help maintain stable communication between the drone and operator, making it accessible even for first-time users. Overall, the Holystone HS440G combines portability, advanced imaging, intelligent flight features, and beginner-friendly controls into a well-rounded drone suitable for both casual exploration and creative aerial photography. Next, at number 4, is the Contixo F33 camera drone for adults. The Contixo F33 camera drone for adults is designed to deliver a professional-grade aerial photography experience with smart controls and user-friendly operation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. At its core, the drone features a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing ultra-clear 3840 by 2160 photos and smooth 4K video footage. Its 100 degrees wide-angle lens, combined with an 80 degrees adjustable view, allows users to frame expansive landscapes and dynamic scenes with precision. To ensure stable results, the drone is equipped with a 2-axis gimbal supported by electronic image stabilization, helping produce shake-free footage even during movement. Creative shooting options such as panoramic capture, time-lapse, and hand gesture selfie mode further expand its content creation possibilities. Flight performance is another highlight of the Contixo F33. With up to 42 minutes of flight time per battery, users gain extended opportunities for exploration and aerial filming without frequent interruptions. The brushless motor system enhances efficiency, providing quieter operation and smoother flight stability, suitable for both learning and advanced piloting. The drone also includes a wide range of advanced intelligent flight modes. Features like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, One-Key Spiral, One-Key Farfly, One-Key Skyrocket, Fixed Speed Cruise, and GPS Return Home simplify complex aerial maneuvers. These automated functions allow users to focus more on capturing cinematic shots while the drone handles flight patterns intelligently. Safety and precision are prioritized through front-side laser obstacle avoidance, helping reduce collision risks during flight. Combined with one-key takeoff and landing, GPS navigation, and optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable hovering and accurate control even in challenging environments. To complete the experience, the Contixo F33 comes with premium accessories, including a 5.5-inch touchscreen HD remote that provides real-time viewing and intuitive control. A 32 GB SD card is also included, offering immediate storage for photos and videos right out of the box. Overall, the Contixo F33 camera drone combines high-quality imaging, intelligent flight systems, and user-focused design into a versatile aerial photography tool built for creative exploration. Coming in at number 3, we have the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone for adults. Potensic Atom 2 camera drone for adults is designed as a compact, intelligent aerial imaging drone built for users who want professional-grade visuals with simplified control. At its core, it features a built-in 5.5-inch FHD touchscreen controller with 700 nits brightness, allowing clear visibility and direct flight control without relying heavily on a mobile device. The dedicated PTD-1 remote is optimized exclusively for the Atom 2 system, ensuring tight integration between hardware and flight software. For imaging performance, the drone uses a 1/2 inches Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing 48 MP photos and recording 4K HDR video at 30 FPS. A 3-axis gimbal stabilizes footage, helping produce smooth, cinematic results even during movement. Enhanced optics with an f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel technology improve clarity in low-light environments, while P-Log mode offers greater flexibility for color grading and post-production editing. Connectivity is supported by PixSync 4.0 transmission technology, enabling up to 10 km range with stable 1080p/30 fps live video feed. The controller itself provides extended usability with up to 3 hours of runtime and supports 27W fast charging, reaching 90% battery in about 85 minutes. Battery efficiency is further enhanced through the Fly More combo system, where a multi-battery charging hub can fully charge 3 batteries in approximately 1.3 hours. Each flight battery supports up to 96 minutes of total flight potential under ideal conditions, giving users extended time for aerial exploration and shooting. AI-powered features expand creative control, including intelligent subject tracking modes such as Spotlight, Follow, and Parallel. The drone also supports AI-enhanced night shooting, improving clarity and detail in low-light scenes. Creative shooting options include 7K vertical video, 4x digital zoom, panoramic capture, dolly zoom, slow motion, cine-roll, and quick shots for dynamic cinematic effects. For ease of use, the Atom 2 integrates GNSS positioning, customizable home point settings, cruise control, auto takeoff and landing, and smart return-to-home functionality. These features make it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced capabilities for more experienced drone users seeking high-quality aerial content creation. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Antigravity A1 camera drone for adults. The Antigravity A1 camera drone introduces a new era of immersive aerial filming, combining advanced 360-degree capture technology with intelligent flight systems to deliver a truly next-generation experience for creators and drone enthusiasts. At the heart of the A1 is its true 360-degree immersive flight system designed to transform how pilots experience the sky. The included vision goggles feature a massive 90 degrees field of view, offering 66% wider immersion than standard goggles. Dual 1-inch micro OLED displays paired with pancake optics ensure crisp, glasses-free clarity, while its lightweight 340G design with built-in diopter adjustment provides comfort and sharp visuals for all users. The drone's standout capability is its 8K 360-degree video capture, allowing it to record everything in its surroundings in a single shot. Powered by advanced 360 imaging technology, it produces ultra-high-resolution footage with seamless stitching, enabling users to revisit and reframe moments in post-production without missing any angle. Designed for flexibility, the A1 offers 2 battery configurations. The standard battery keeps the drone under 249G for easier, regulation-friendly use, while the high-capacity battery extends flight time up to 39 minutes, making it ideal for longer creative missions. Flying the A1 is equally intuitive. Beginners can use free motion mode with simple point-to-fly navigation, while experienced pilots can switch to FPV mode for more traditional, responsive control. Unlike conventional drones, the A1 captures everything at once, allowing users to reframe their shots after flight instead of worrying about missing the perfect angle. Editing is also simplified through Auto Editing 2.0, where the companion app automatically transforms raw 360 degrees footage into cinematic videos with smart reframing, music synchronization, and professional pacing. Safety is reinforced through omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, combining 360 sensing with binocular vision to detect obstacles from all directions, enabling confident exploration in complex environments. Overall, the Anti-Gravity A1 redefines aerial storytelling by merging 360 degrees capture, intelligent flight, and automated editing into one seamless creative ecosystem. And finally, our top pick for the DJI Mini 3-camera drone for adults. The DJI Mini 3-camera drone for adults is a compact yet powerful aerial photography device designed for travelers, hobbyists, and content creators who want professional quality results in a lightweight form. Weighing under 249 grams, it is especially convenient for recreational flying as it does not require FAA registration or remote ID compliance in many regions when used for non-commercial purposes. At the core of the Mini 3 is its ability to capture stunning 4K HDR video, delivering crisp, vibrant footage with impressive dynamic range. Thanks to dual native ISO fusion, the drone performs well in both bright daylight and low-light environments, preserving detail in highlights and shadows for more cinematic results. One of its standout capabilities is true vertical shooting, which allows users to record vertical videos without cropping. This makes it ideal for social media content, especially when filming tall structures like skyscrapers, waterfalls, or narrow scenic landscapes. The drone is built for endurance, offering extended flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, reaching up to 51 minutes per charge. For users who want even more airtime, the Fly More combo provides a total of up to 114 minutes of combined flight time. Although the extended battery increases weight beyond 249 grams, it significantly enhances long-duration shooting sessions. Stability and control are ensured through a 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with level 5 wind resistance, allowing the Mini 3 to maintain smooth, steady footage even in winds up to 38 kph. Its brushless motors add reliability and enable takeoff at altitudes of up to 4,000 meters, making it suitable for mountain and high-elevation adventures. For long-range exploration, the drone supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission, providing strong anti-interference performance and allowing pilots to maintain a clear, stable connection over wide landscapes. Creative shooting options further expand its versatility. Features like Quick Shots enable automated cinematic flight paths, while Panorama Mode helps capture wide, breathtaking views with a single command. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 combines portability, extended flight capability, and advanced imaging features, making it a reliable companion for capturing high-quality aerial visuals in a wide range of environments, ready to take your creativity to new heights. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect drone for your needs. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more top reviews and expert buying guides.